Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we shall be taking up a question from IIT-JAM 2018 consisting of 1 mark question, right? And this is a multiple choice question over here. So in this question, they are asking the tangent plane to the given surface. So this is the surface which is given to you. At the point 1, 1, 1 is given by which among these 4? So let's get started with the solution. So for the solution, you must know what is the formula to calculate the equation for this tangent plane. So suppose F is the given surface in that case and P is the corresponding point. So this is the surface and P is the point where you are to calculate the tangent plane. So in that case, suppose that is say ABC, the point P is ABC. So in that case, your surface would be x minus a multiplied by the partial derivative of this surface F with respect to x coordinate calculated at the point P plus y minus the b coordinate for this point multiplied by the partial derivative of given surface calculated at the point P plus z minus the z coordinate of the given point C into the partial derivative of f with respect to z at the point P. So this is the equation of tangent. So here, what is your surface? Your surface is z minus square root of x square plus 3y square is equal to 0. So this is your surface and your point here is given to be, so your point is, let me call that by P. So it is given to be 1, 1, 2, right? So this is your point. So let's firstly calculate the derivatives. So when you calculate the derivative, your partial derivative with respect to x of this given surface, it would be minus 1 divided by square root of x square plus y square into 2, and then you have the partial derivative for this x square using the chain rule. Here we are considering y to be a constant quantity, right? And similarly, when you compute the partial derivative with respect to y, so it would be minus of 1 divided by 2 square root of x square plus 3y square, and then the derivative of this inner term, which would be 3 into 2y, right? That means 6y only. So let me write down 6y. So it would be 6y. So this and this cancels out. And for the third term, you wanted to calculate the derivative with respect to z partial derivative. So it would just be 1. So next thing, we are to compute these derivatives at the given point P. So you have to substitute the value of x, y and z as 1, 1 and 2 respectively. So when you substitute the value of x as 1 and y as again 1, here it would be 3, right? So it would be 3 into 1 square, right? So your value of this partial derivative of given surface, it would be minus 1 by 2, right? And when you compute the partial derivative with respect to y at this point, so it would be minus 3 into the value of y, which is 1, divided by square root of 1 square plus 3 into 1 square. So it would be minus 3 by 2, and this value is going to be 1 at the given point. Why? Because this is a constant quantity. So now you got these 3 quantities. So we just have to substitute the values in the given equation. So let's do that quickly. So it would be, now your point is 1, 1, 2. So your value of A, B and C, they are 1, 1 and 2. So your equation would be x minus 1 plus y minus 1 plus z minus 2, right, according to the given point, and you have to multiply them by these derivatives. So the first derivative is minus 1 by 2, the second is minus 3 by 2, and the third is 1. So it would be multiplied by minus 1 by 2, it would be minus 3 by 2, and it would be 1. So this is equal to 0. So you can very easily simplify this equation. So you can multiply whole together by 2. So it would be minus x plus 1, and then it would be minus 3y plus 3 then it would be plus 2z minus 4 is equal to 0. So your equation would be minus x minus 3y plus 2z, and these terms cancels out, right? Or you may write your equation as x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the tangent plane for the given surface. So let's head back to our options and look at the correct option. So x plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0 is given by option number B. X plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. So here option B is the correct option. So I hope you understood this question. Well, that is it for this one. I'll see you in the next question.